In this video tutorial, I'm going to show us how to share the Google form, make it public so that other people can view it. If you take a look at my Google form right here, and if you go to the top right-hand corner, there's a three-dot icon. If you click on that, you will see that there's an Add Collaborator right here option. There's an Add Collaborator right here. Click on that. It'll take us to this pop-up right here. And when you scroll down to, when you look down to the bottom, there's a change right here. Click on the change. And here's an option. If you click on this option right here, if it's restricted, change it to anyone with a link can take a look at your form. So again, go to the three-dot icon right here, click on collaborator, click on change, and change the option to anyone with a link can view it, and then copy this link, and you can share it with anyone.